In this video, you'll learn how to join the eBay affiliate program. This guide will take you through the steps required to successfully sign up and start earning commissions by promoting eBay products. Begin by visiting the official eBay Partner Network website. It is important to review the program benefits and the commission structure thoroughly. Understanding how tracking links and commissions operate is crucial for your success. Additionally, check the eligibility requirements to ensure you, before applying, confirm that you have a website, blog, or social media presence, as these are necessary for participation. Prepare some basic information regarding your traffic sources, as this will be needed during the application process. Next, locate the sign up button on the homepage and click on it to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form that requires accurate personal and payment details. Fill in all required fields carefully to avoid any issues. Additionally, provide information about how you plan to promote eBay products, as this is an essential part of your application. Once you've completed the form, submit your application for review. Be aware that approval may take a few days, so monitor your email for any confirmation or updates from eBay. After your application is approved, you will gain access to your affiliate dashboard. This dashboard is where you can generate custom tracking links for specific products or categories that you wish to promote. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and the available tools. Once you create your tracking links, you can share them across your website, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. It is essential to use these links effectively to ensure that your audience can easily access the eBay products you promote. Regularly track your clicks, conversions, and earnings through the dashboard. This information will provide insights into how well your promotions are performing. Based on this data, you can optimize your content to improve performance. Consistent promotion of your affiliate links is key to increasing your commission potential. Adjust your strategies based on what content resonates best with your audience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.